Yeah, and we back with another video. Today, we are talking about why you're feeling stuck and why you're not at where you want to be. I actually made another video on this a little bit ago. I had to bring it back because y'all were really messing with the video. To recap on what we talked about last time, a lot of the reason why you're not where you're at, where you want to be, is because you're looking at the results before the results are even made. You're reaping what you sow before you even sow. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put the work in and let the work sit for a little bit before you can really look at the results and be proud of what you accomplished. And if you're always looking at the results, you're never gonna get to where you wanna get to. Now, for this video, what's a little bit different about what I wanna expand on this idea is that you'll never get to that level that you're trying to manifest and that you're trying to make for yourself if you don't change how you feel about yourself. You gotta change how you feel about yourself and how you identify with them goals. And that's what's really gonna change your actions in your everyday life. It's gonna make you wake up earlier. It's gonna make you wanna get to this shit. It's gonna make you feel like you're the type of dude that deserves the goals that you have for yourself. Because the reason why you're not at where you wanna be right now is because you don't believe that that's where you should be right now. If you put the work in and you identify, you gotta learn how to love yourself and speak better to yourself up here. You speak better to yourself up here, you think you might be doing more. You might do a little bit more instead of saying, damn, I ain't do shit today. I ain't shit. I ain't nobody. Damn, everybody was right about what they were saying about me. Nah, fuck all that. You gotta put that good, positive words into yourself and the rest gonna come like magic. I swear to you, every time, my boy. Like, look at me. I'm out here big San Diego, my girlfriend hella fine, the beach hella beautiful. The views is hella nice, nigga. I look good, nigga. It's like that. I got me and my girl Starbucks because it's really like that out there, man. And but yeah, I just wanted to give y'all that advice. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really gonna keep it a quick one because we got a lot of videos to make today and a lot of videos to get out and get going. You wanna say goodbye to the people?
Nice.
See y'all.